Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the features of the NutriChef stainless steel stockpot, a 15-quart culinary powerhouse perfect for boiling, simmering, and crafting delicious sauces for large gatherings. This pot is not only ideal for both commercial and home cooking but also boasts ergonomic stainless steel handles for comfortable handling, all wrapped in a stylish design with a mirror-polished exterior and matte-polished interior. Crafted from 18/8 food-grade stainless steel, it ensures non-toxic, non-allergic cooking with an impact-bonded base for even heat distribution. The see-through tempered glass lid with a vent hole allows steam to escape, ensuring your dishes cook evenly at temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, excluding the lid. Designed for versatility, this heavy-duty stockpot is compatible with electric, gas, induction, ceramic, hot plate, and halogen cooktops. While it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to maintain its stainless steel shine. So, whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, the NutriChef stockpot is a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.